What's good, everybody? It's your boy PackStacks back with another one. Yes, sir. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Cursor AI code editor. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Make sure you drop that like and that sub. Let's hop on the computer. Yes, sir. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into Cursor. Here we are on the dashboard. If you don't have Cursor, make sure you go download that. I am on the Pro plan, okay? So we're going to make a new project, but if you have a repo that you want to bring in from GitHub or another Git type of repository resource, you can do that right here, or you can always connect via SSH from your favorite terminal type thing as well. But I'm going to open up a new project just to show you guys how it works. So we're going to click open new project. I'm going to go to my desktop and make a new folder for this project in particular. We're going to do Cursor, select our folder here. So if you haven't used VS Code, this is essentially a VS Code clone. So I would encourage you to watch a bunch of videos about VS Code, how to use that, and you'll essentially get a thorough understanding of how to use Cursor because it is a clone. In the latest version of Cursor, over here is going to pop up with your chat window. No longer is there a composer or anything like that. There's just an agent that you use throughout the entire app. So what I will encourage you to do right when you get in, if you see this little auto button right here, I'm going to click that and I'm going to take this and choose the model that I actually want to use for my coding. I do not recommend that you use the auto setting because it may take more credits than you're willing to pay. We're going to use Claude 3.7 Sonnet, just the regular one. And I will say, out of all of the LLMs to code with thus far, especially if you're using Cursor, Claude 3.7 Sonnet is going to be your best choice. Okay, today we're going to make a simple dashboard for a financial application using HTML, CSS, and JS. So let's get that prompt written. So as you can see, I have my prompt written. I just said, hey, let's make a simple dashboard for our finance application using HTML, CSS, and JS, please. And all you got to do is click send. Okay, so as you can see, Cursor is going to town putting together our financial application dashboard with a light HTML index, some CSS, and a little bit of JS just for some functionality. So as you can see, Cursor has went to town creating our financial dashboard application. Before we look at the actual front end of it, you can see it has coded all of our HTML, our CSS, as well as our JavaScript right here, okay, for functionality. Now you see we have a very streamlined front end for a financial application made right here in Cursor using Claude 3.7 Sonnet, okay? Though this is not a fully functioning application, the goal here is for you to get in and see what you can do with Cursor. So let's say we want to change our colorway. All we're going to do is send a prompt directly to Claude right here and see what happens. So you can see in real time, Claude has went ahead and updated our app to match the colorway that he has chosen, a more dark palette, which is really cool. Again, being able to make these changes on the fly. I'm not asking you guys or showing you guys how to make a super complicated application. I'm more or less showing you how easy it is to get started with Cursor AI. As you can see him building right here in real time with interactive charts and all the things that you would need to get started as a developer. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.